How to get Spotify Student Premium. Hi everybody, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you get Spotify Premium Student. So what you need is here, first thing first, open your browser, and on the web address bar type in spotify.com/premium. So when you type in spotify.com/premium, you want to scroll down a bit, or you could just go ahead and click on view all, and as you click on it, you could find the student plan. So you need to click on try 1 month for $, and next you need to prove that you're a student. So click on the next button, and now you need to go ahead and verify. So just go ahead and follow on the answering prompt, and when you're done completing the SheerID form, you need to fill out all the verification details and provide the proof of enrollment, and you have to wait for a confirmation. And this is the basic way you could get a Spotify Student Premium. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.